goes up and the fireball flows. We play kickball better than all the pros. Round and round the bases we run. Balls deep is here for all the fun. We wreck our fields, we wreck our foes. Shit, we show up and wreck ourselves. Every Thursday you can find us here. Keswick Park is where we call home. Balls deep always looks the best. Custom wood guard drip across our chest. Round and round the bases we run. Balls deep is here for all the fun. Now raise that shot you start to the sky. Shoot it back to a guy. Let